Home Affordability Solutions is Australia's leading solution for home buyers and investors, where a deposit is the only challenge. Traditionally, banks want you to have a 20% deposit before they'll lend you money for a home. If you don't, they charge something called lender's mortgage insurance, a fee that protects the bank, not you. Across Australia, LMI costs home buyers over $34,000 on average. The problem is saving a 20% deposit can take more than 10 years for most Australians. And while you're saving, house prices keep rising, making that goal feel further away every year. HAS steps in to bridge the deposit gap. You contribute just 2.5% of the property price. HAS provides the remaining 17.5%. Together you have the full 20% deposit needed to avoid LMI. That means you can buy now instead of spending years trying to catch up. HAS provides a second mortgage that sits behind your main home loan. Your bank or lender provides the first 80% of the loan. HAS provides the extra 17.5% as a second loan. You contribute the remaining 2.5% deposit. Everything, including our fees and payment assistance, is built into the HAS facility, so there are no large upfront costs. To make repayments easier, we include 5 years of payment assistance, which is drawn down monthly to help reduce your effective interest rate during that period. You can refinance anytime after 3 years. When you do, you'll combine 3 things into one new loan. 1. Your first mortgage, which is now smaller after regular repayments. 2. Your HAS second mortgage. And 3. HAS share of your property's growth. Ideally, by this point, your property has increased in value and your main loan has gone down, giving you enough equity to refinance into a single loan under 80% LVR, which means you still avoid paying LMI. Most HAS customers refinance in years 4 and 5, but the timing is completely up to you. In exchange for providing the deposit boost, our funder receives a small share of your property's growth when you refinance. Here's how it works. When you sell or refinance, approximately 79% of the property growth belongs to you, and approximately 21% is shared with the funder. It's a fair trade for getting into the market years sooner. To qualify for HAS, there are just 2 key requirements. You have at least 2.5% of the property price saved, plus costs like stamp duty. You can service both the first and second mortgage based on your income. That's it. In summary, with HAS, you get to buy a home with just a 2.5% deposit, to avoid LMI of average $34,000. Lower interest rates from your first lender because your LVR is below 80%. 5 years of payment assistance. All fees rolled into the facility. A clear pathway to refinance once your property has grown in value. At HAS, our mission is simple: to help hard-working Australians achieve the hope, dignity, and security of owning their own home sooner. Reach out to our team today and start your journey toward home ownership.